Hi guys, welcome to Simply Scuba. Here we have the Cressi Agua Kids Fins. So these are a slightly smaller version of the adult's Agua fin, funnily enough. They're a decent size, they're very light, they're very compact, so they're not going to take up very much space if you're traveling with them. And these are going to be a very nice pair of first fins for your kids if they're just sort of learning, you want to get them snorkeling, you want to get them into the water. Gives them a decent amount of propulsion. They're not too short, they're not too long neither, they're not going to be too cumbersome in the water, but they're not going to take up much space in your bag neither. So the foot pocket itself is a very soft material, so that's nice and comfortable. You have a very clever section over the front, and this kind of rib section just allows it to be a little bit stiffer but move at the same time. So it actively kind of holds onto your kid's foot, but during the downwards fin kick, it allows it to stretch, stores up a bit of sort of energy, keeps it more comfortable on the foot, and then transfers that energy down towards the blade. So it's a bit more comfortable whilst you're moving through the water. Now, decent sized rails running down each side of the blade, and that's transferring energy from the foot straight down to the blade. And then the blade itself is just a big open paddle with a modified fishtail tip. So with the big paddle, it's catching a lot of water, and then with that fishtail tip, it's actually going to help reduce tracking, and tracking is when a blade kind of shimmies from side to side. If you imagine a sort of flat paddle and you move it through the water, a lot of the time it kind of shudders from side to side. This fishtail tip is going to prevent that, so it stays nice and true and nice and straight. So again, it's not going to kind of shake the foot, it keeps it nice and comfortable. So this obviously is a semi-transparent fin, just gives it a decent aesthetic. On the underside, it just mirrors the front. And on the bottom of the foot pocket, you've got a bit of that sort of rubberized material, a bit of grip. And because it's pretty well flat, it makes it a little bit easier to move around in, because kids will try and walk around in fins, try and make them go backwards or sideways when they're wearing the fins, or put them on in the water. But that grip just means that they get a bit more grip if they are moving around in them. So a decent pair of fins. This is great sort of first time fins, get them into the water, get them used to actual fins. You can wear them barefoot, but of course if they get a little bit too big, you can sort of pop a pair of socks on as well. Yeah, as I said, a great sort of first time fin, especially if they're snorkeling around. This is the Cressi Kids Agua fin. Thanks for watching and safe diving.
We are an online dive store serving the UK and the world for all your diving equipment needs. So why not visit us at simplyscuba.com or click the box on your screen.